Let me continue with this problem. The bisectors of angles B and C of a triangle ABC intersects the opposite sides in E and D. The bisectors of angle B and angle C intersects the opposite sides in E and D such that DE is parallel to BC. Such that DE is parallel to BC. Next, prove the triangle ABC is an isosceles triangle. DE is parallel to ABC, DE is parallel to BC given, and angle B and angle C are the bisectors. So these two are the bisectors. Next, that's all. Only these two conditions given. What we have to prove? ABC is isosceles triangle. ABC is isosceles triangle. So here, how to prove ABC is isosceles triangle means we have to prove that AB is equal to AC, right? So AB is equal to AC, we have to prove it. How to do this one? So proof by basic proportionality theorem. What is basic proportionality theorem? If a line is drawn parallel to one side, then it will divide the other two sides in the same ratio. AD by BD is equal to AE by EC. So AD by DB is equal to AE by EC. Mark this as 1. Now angle B is the bisector of triangle ABC. Use vertical angle bisector theorem. AB by BC is equal to vertical angle bisector theorem. AB by BC is equal to, you started from here now, AE by EC. Or you can write BA by BC is equal to AE by AC. Makes no change. BA by BC is equal to AE by AC. Start from here using vertical angle bisector theorem. Vertical angle bisector theorem. What does it state? The bisector of the vertical angle divides the base in the ratio of the other two sides. Which is the base now? If you consider this one, this is the base. So AE by EC is equal to AB by BC. That only I wrote here. Now consider this one. Now angle C is the bisector of triangle ABC. What is the vertical angle bisector theorem say? The bisector of the vertical angle divides the opposite side in the same ratio, AD by DB. So this one, this is the triangle in which this is the bisector. So you can write AD by DB is equal to AC by BC. Once again, this is the bisector. So this divide, the bisector of the vertical angle divides the base in the ratio of the other two sides. AD by DB is equal to AC by BC. Now mark this as 1, mark this as 2, mark this as 3. Keep in mind what you have to prove. AB is equal to AC. See whether anything AB is equal to AC is there. See here. AB, BC, something like that. Some clue we are getting. So from this, AD by DB, you can write from 1, 2 and 3. Please see that you should get AC is equal to AB is equal to AC. What you will do? Here AE by EC is given as AE by from 1 and 2. From 1 and 2. AE by EC is equal to, you see here both are same. So we can equate these two. AD by BD is equal to AB by BC. Why? Because AE by AC both are same on RHS, right hand side. So that means AD by DB is equal to AB by BC. AD by DB is equal to AB by BC. Mark this as 4. Now from 3 and 4, AD by DB, already it is given. AD by DB is equal to AC by BC is equal to AB by BC, right? From 1 and 2, since RHS are same, I equated LHS. AD by BD is equal to AB by BC. Now from 3 and 4, AD by BD is nothing but AC is equal to BC. So BC is cancelled, AC is equal to AB. So AC is equal to AB. So hence it is proved. So there is nothing tough about this problem, just you should apply basic proportionality theorem. Write like this, then since this is the bisector, AE divide the bisector of the vertical angle, divide the base in the ratio of the two. AE by BC is equal to AB by BC. From where you are starting, go from there only. Since you have started from here, you should go like this. Next, angle C is the bisector. So this is the bisector, means divide the ratio in the other two sides. AD by DB is equal to, you have started from here, so go from here. AC by BC. Now from 1 and 2, AD by BD is nothing. AE by EC is nothing but AD by BD is equal to AB by BC. But what is AD by BD? AC by BC. From 3 and 4, you should equate these two. AD by AC is equal to AB by BC. Now BC can cancel. That is how you should do the problem. So once again I will read out the question. The bisectors of the base of angle B and angle C of triangle ABC intersect the opposite sides in E and D such that DE is parallel to BC. DE is parallel to BC. Prove that the triangle is isosceles. Next one. In an isosceles triangle ABC, angle B is equal to angle C. And what is given? 2 points P and Q have been taken on AB and AC such that AB is equal to AQ. Now prove that PQ is parallel to BC. PQ is parallel to BC. PQ is parallel to BC. We have to prove it. What are the given condition? Angle B is equal to angle C given. What is the meaning of this? Angle B is equal to angle C means AB is equal to AC. Isosceles triangle property. Property of triangle. AB is equal to BC. Next, AB is equal to AQ given. AB is equal to AQ given. Right? Mark this as 1. Mark this as 2. Subtract. Subtracting 1 from this. Subtract 1 from 2. Subtract, you can write subtract like that. Subtract 1 minus 2. Subtract 1 from 2. So AB is equal to AC. AB is equal to AC. AB is equal to AQ. Subtract. You can simply write subtract. Don't write this on. Subtract 1 from 2 and that on this. So what will get? AB minus subtracting AB minus AP is equal to AC minus AQ. What is AB minus AP? A full length minus this one. is nothing but BP, is nothing but here also full length minus this one is nothing but QC. BP is equal to QC. So BP is equal to QC. Already given this is equal to this one. So now we have proved that this is equal to this one. Now therefore AP, now consider AP by BP. What is AP? What is AP given? AQ. What is BP? What is BP? QC. In bracket is right given. In bracket this is one proved. So just now we have proved. No? So AP by BP is equal to AQ by QC. Therefore, by converse of basic proportionality theorem. What is the converse of basic proportionality theorem? If a line divides the other two sides in the same ratio, then the line is parallel to PQ is parallel to BC. Hence it is proved. Next one. If a line is drawn parallel to, if a line divides the other two sides in the same ratio, the line is parallel to third side. And means this is parallel to this. Next one. ABCD is a quadrilateral in which AB is equal to AD. This they will not give diagram in exam. You should consider by yourself. Here it is given. ABCD is a quadrilateral in which AB is equal to AD. In which AB is equal to AD. Next, the bisectors of BAC and CAD. BAC. So that means you have to join this. BAC. The bisectors of BAC and CAD. CAD intersects. Bisector means X. The bisectors of angle BAC and CAD. Like that. The bisectors of angle BAC and CAD intersect the side BC and CD. BC and CD at E and F. Prove that EF is parallel to diagonal BD. So how to do this one? So here ABCD is a triangle. AB is equal to AD given. AB is equal to AD given. Now this is the vertical. This is the bisector of angle BAC. Angle BAC is the bisector of BAC. BAC is there. AE is the bisector. AE is the bisector of angle BAC. Next, AF is the, what are the given conditions? I am writing. A is the bisector of angle CAD. CAD. Now, how to start this one? One thing is sure, you can apply vertical angle bisector theorem for this triangle. So how to do? How to start the one? We have to prove that EF is parallel to BD. So how to do, children? Now, is there any hints given? Nothing. So EF is parallel to AB. We have to prove. EF is parallel to diagonal BD. We have to prove. Start vertical angle bisector theorem. What does it state? The bisector of the vertical angle divides the base in the ratio of the other two sides. This is the vertical angle, but the bisector of the vertical angle divides the base. So if this is the triangle, this is the base. Divide the base in the ratio of the other two sides. So CE by BE. CE by BE. CE by BE is equal to CA by AB. CA by AB. So it is dividing this. This is the base. The CE by AB. BC becomes base for this triangle, and since A is the bisector, you can write EC by AB is equal to CA by AB. Next, mark this as one. This one, vertical angle bisector theorem, VABT, vertical angle bisector theorem. Next, now consider this triangle. This is the bisector. AEF is the bisector for this triangle. The bisector of the vertical angle divide the base in the ratio of the other two sides. That means you start from here, DF by FC is equal to DF by FC is equal to DA by AC. DA by AC. DF by FC. From where you started? Here. So DF. So go from this. DA by AC. From where you started, from that point onwards, you should go. DF by FC is equal to DA by AC. For this triangle. Vertical angle bisector theorem. You should write here, consider triangle ABC. Here you should write, consider triangle DAC. Consider triangle DAC. So you will get like this. Now, what is given? AB is equal to AD given. Just see whether you are getting any hints or not. AB. Yeah, here you are getting hint, no? In place of AB, you can write AD. In place of AB, you can write AD. CE by BE is equal to AC, you write as it is. CE by AB. AC, you write as it is. What is AB? AD. Next. Mark this as 1, mark this as 2, mark this as 3. So why you have written like this? CE by AB is equal to AC by AB. Because here it is given, no? AB is nothing but AD. I got like this. Then what I did is, in place of CA, in place of AB, I have written AD. This one, from C by BE is equal to AC as it is. A in place of AB, you can write AD, from given AB is equal to AD. Now, what do you see here? From 2 and 3. So with this, in place of AB, I have written AD. So now consider these two. You see here dA by AC is here, dA by AC, just in the reverse. Here dA by AC is here, here it is reverse. So what you do? BE by CE is equal to reverse this one, AD by AC. Mark this as 4. So now from what? From 3 and 4. 3 and 4. What is given? Not from 3 and 4, from 2 and 4. From 2 and 4. Compare this. DA or AD makes same, AC. So that means you have to equal these two. DF by FC is equal to BE by CE. So DF by FC. Here it is DF by FC, or you can write FC by DF is equal to BE by DF by FC is equal to BE by AC. Therefore, EF is parallel to BD by converse of basic proportionality theorem. So consider triangle. You can write some more steps if you want. What is given is, once again I will explain. These are the given conditions. Now consider triangle ABC. Since this is the bisector, you can write CE by EC is equal to CA by AB. CE by BE is equal to CA by AB. Next, consider triangle DAC. In the same way, this is the bisector. DF by FC. DF by FC is equal to AD by AC. Now here we take this first one. CE by BE is equal to AC. I am writing as is AB. AB is nothing but AD here. AB from here. CE by B is equal to CA. I wrote as is AD and AB both are same. No, in place of AB, I have written AD. Next, that's all. Leave like this only. Consider these two now. This can be interchanged. I don't know. DE by C can be written as AD by AC. Just upside down. So mark this as 4. From this and this. Now DA and this you consider. This part and this part. AD by AC both are same. So DF by FC is equal to BE by CE. Now here what you have to do? DF by FC is equal to BE by EC. Consider, you can write consider triangle BDC. In triangle BDC, what we have proved? DF by FC is equal to BF by FC. DF by FC is equal to BE by FC. Therefore, if a line divides by converse of basic proportionality theorem, if a line divides the other two sides in the same ratio, then that line is parallel to EF is parallel to BD. Hence it is proved. Very, very important, and it is somewhat tough also. So thank you students, have a nice day. So now we will complete this theoretical problems. That is a little bit tough, already I told. So we will be continuing. Have a nice day. Bye. Bye students.